The Ancient Mariner. This sounds like some ride at a Death Trap aquapark, which shut down in 1997 after a series of tragic accidents. Or some budget brand of fish fingers your parents tried to force you to eat when you were a kid. And that's fish sticks for the North American audience in this channel. The ingredient lineup. We're going to go for a Jamaican rum, then the Demerara rum. I would suggest using a more mature, so an 8 or a 12-year-old rum. But I'm moving, so I'm going to use up the last of my 3-year El Dorado. And we've got some Allspice Dram, simple syrup, lime juice and white grapefruit juice. Let's kick this one off by the 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of our Jamaican rum. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of the Demerara rum. Add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Allspice Dram. And we want 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of simple syrup. 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of white grapefruit juice. 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. History wise, this drink was created by Jeff the Beachbum Berry around 1994. It's inspired by Trader Vic's take on an early Don Beach cocktail called Navy Grog. Berry himself is a hero in Tiki circles, as is like a database for remembering and reimagining recipes. We're going to double strain this over some pebble ice. Going to top this off with some pebble ice. Garnish with a lime wedge and a mint bouquet. The taste test. This is absolutely delicious. There is a lot of interchanging between the rums, but more importantly, they complement each other. I always say this to anyone, try to experiment with different rum blends. It's a fantastic spirit category to work with, and it's open to innovation and personalisations based on your taste. The Allspice Dram, which is a fantastic ingredient, which works so well in tropical drinks, but so versatile, I reckon it could work well with a lot of winter drinks too. The citrus combo is absolutely great, the sourness of the lime, but more importantly, the bitterness of the grapefruit is absolutely king here. Try and buy the white ones as you need that extra tang. And last but not least, the simple syrup in the background doing some work. I know I'm very generous towards tiki drinks in this channel, but I'm going to be giving this a 9.1 out of 10.